Good, mo- good, good
Good
morning.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's not yet good afternoon. It's still good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today we have to revise air around us and animal homes. Okay. So we'll start with air around us. First, we'll just revise the entire chapter and the question answers of the workbook, and then I will give you revision, written revision. Okay. Yes. So what is air? What is air? Why is there no response from anyone? Forgot what air is.
Air has no shape.
That was the property of air. What is air? If I ask you what is air, what will you tell me?
Burning
Nora?
candle. Get.
Huh?
Big blanket.
Air is like a big blanket around us. What is air made up of?
Gases.
Gases.
And all the others who are not answering, please mute the audio.
Gases and dust particles.
Yes, it is
Gases
made
and
up of
dust
gases and
particles.
dust
Dust
particles.
particles.
What are the properties of air?
Air
Air, no shape, no color, no smell.
no color. It
Then,
has some weight. It fills up space.
yes, air has no smell, no shape, no color. It has weight, fills up space. Very good. Then we saw that air, what is wind?
Wind, moving air.
Moving air is called wind. And what are the two different types of wind that we saw?
Breeze and wind.
Breeze and storm. What is a breeze?
Gentle
Wind
is called breeze.
A gentle and slow wind is called breeze. And what is a storm?
A fast and slow wind is called storms.
A fast and strong wind is called a storm. Mention the four types of storms that we saw.
thunderstorm,
Yes. Thunderstorm, dust storm, sandstorm.
snowstorm.
Okay, very good. Then, what are the uses of air?
Drying clothes. Air helps.
If all of you scream together, I cannot understand.
Air helps to breathe. And all living things need to breathe.
All living things need air to breathe. Yes, next one, Janita. Nora, next one.
Air helps clothes to dry faster.
Air helps clothes to dry faster. Anamika, next one.
Air helps in burning.
Air helps in burning. Okay, Risa. Risa,
Air helps to sail ships.
air helps in sailing of boats. Okay, Pranav, last one.
Air.
Air?
Air helps to sail boat.
That is already said.
helps to burning.
That is also said.
Air.
Looking into the book and telling me.
No. No.
Okay.
It gives shapes to things.
It gives shape to things. Yes. So air helps, all living things need air to breathe. Air helps in burning. Air gives shape to things. Air helps clothes dry faster, and air helps boats to sail. Okay, very good. Yes, now let us look at the question answers of the textbook. Okay. What is a storm?
A strong and fast. Fast moving. Strong air is called storm.
Yes, a strong and fast moving is called storm. Okay. Then why does a burning candle go out if we cover it with a glass?
This is because the covered candle does not get air, keep itself burning.
Covered candle does not get air to keep itself burning. And why do we use tubes in swimming pools? Why do we use tubes or floats? What was the reason?
Air is lighter than water. Air is lighter than water.
I didn't give you this answer, right? I didn't write it down. Did I give you?
No.
Okay, no problem. So it's okay. Yes. Okay, now I will. Shall we go on to animal homes and then we will write and practice? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are shelters?
The animals. Homes of animals.
No.
Is used by animals to
Covered place used by animals to live in.
yes, to
Yes.
live in.
Covered place used by animals, covered space used by animals to live is called a shelter. Okay, then. What are the shelters of birds called?
Nest.
Nest. Okay, where do rabbits and rats live?
In a hole.
Burrows.
In a hole, in holes or burrows. What about snakes? What about snakes?
Holes and burrows.
In other holes.
Where do snakes live?
Holes.
Holes made by other animals. Yes. What about ants and bees?
And
Heel.
Uh,
Hair.
and
yes, ants live in ant hills and bees live in beehives. What about frogs?
Trees or ground. No, what?
Or in the moist, wherever there is water.
Yes, water.
Okay, what about tigers, lions, etc.?
Cave.
They live in
Cave.
caves and monkeys live on.
Trees.
Okay, tell me 3 reasons why animals need to have shelters. Why should animals have shelters?
To
Nora, tell me
protect
one reason.
to protect
their babies.
Okay, then
them, to protect their enemies.
to protect themselves from enemies, then
Protect them when cold ones. Protect them from weather.
yes, protect themselves from the harsh weather. Very good. Okay. what are national parks?
As the wild animals.
Hmm. What are national parks?
A
Hmm.
large
Ah.
forest, a protected
Okay, a large forest area protected by the government to save wild animals and their natural shelters. A large forest area protected by the government to save wild animals and their
and their
natural shelters.
national shelters.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we shall move on to the question answers. So please open your rough books.
Fill in the blanks. There is like yes, that surround us. Moving air is called dust. Dust. Air is cold.
Somebody's audio is not muted.
Amrisa Rose. Ma'am,
Yes? Huh?
third one.
Move. All living things need air to dash.
And what is this? Ma'am. Ma'am, can you read fourth?
I will read all the questions. Okay. First one is fill in the blanks in that A, air is like a big dash that surrounds us. B, moving air is called dash. C, all living things need air to dash. D, horses are raised in, or the shelter of horses are called dash. The shelter of a dog is dash. And the last one, man-made shelters of wild animal, is called dash. What is the first answer? Air is like a big
Blanket. 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 Blanket.
Okay. Second one.
Moving air is called wind. Wind.
All living things need air to
Breathe. Breathe.
horses are raised in
Table.
shelters of dog is called
Kennel.
okay, and man-made shelters of wild animal.
Zoo.
Okay, very good, very good. Can I erase this?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Why do you wait for me to start erasing to say no, ma'am? Can't you say no the moment I ask you the question? Who is this person? Devamitra, can you please mute your audio? Your video is off, audio is on. It should have been the other way around.
Can you show the board?
State whether true or false. Air has no color, smell, or shape. We cannot feel air. Air does not stay in one place. Many animals eat the eggs of birds. Birds build nests in water. Snakes build their own nests. Okay, what is the first answer?
True.
True. True.
True.
We cannot feel air.
False. False.
False.
Air does not stay in one place.
True. True.
True.
Many animals eat the eggs of birds.
True.
Birds build nests in water.
False.
False.
Snakes build their own shelters.
False.
False.
Good.
I'm finished.
No, ma'am.
Can I erase this?
No, ma'am. No reciting.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is finished. Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mention 4 types of storms.
Finish. Finish, ma'am.
Mention 4 types of storms.
Thunderstorm, dust storm, sandstorm,
Thunderstorm,
snowstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Yes. What is a breeze?
Sandstorm. Gentle or slow wind is called breeze.
Gentle or slow wind. Okay. Mention any 2 uses of air.
Air helps clothes to dry faster.
Ah,
Air helps to sail boat.
yes,
Dry
helps to sail
faster.
boat. Okay.
Air helps.
Yes, out of the 4 and out of the 5, any 2 you can write. Okay, if this question comes, any 2 you can write. Whichever you find easier to write, you can write that. What are shelters?
Covered space used
Covered
by
space.
covered
space used by animals to live and protect themselves is called
Covered
shelters.
space used by animals to live. Okay, yes.
It's called
At which
shelter.
place can animals live freely?
National Park.
In the national park.
The national
Where do monkeys live?
Trees.
Trees.
Please write in sentence, okay? If you write only trees, I will give only half mark.
The monkeys live in trees.
Monkeys live on trees. Okay, fine. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase?
Yes. No, ma'am. Nor is still writing.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Yes. Finished.
Can I erase the first two questions then?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Why are national parks more suitable for protecting animals? What is the reason why are national parks more suitable?
They can live
They can live freely.
freely.
National parks are more suitable because animals can live freely. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished.
No, ma'am.
Okay, copy down the question. I want to tell you all something. Just copy down the question.
The parks more protect.
Finish, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
Okay, fine. Yes, okay. So with this, we finish our revision for GS, all the 4 chapters: teardrops, game of lights, animal homes, air around us. Okay, these 4 chapters we have for our exam.
Yes.
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 Next Friday, your exams are starting, March
Yes.
12th.
Yes.
Okay. So this is our last GS class. Now, no more GS class. We have finished revision. Okay. By the weekend, I will send you a model revision paper. Please attempt it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will send you in WhatsApp. I will send you a revision test paper. You have to attempt it and do it by yourself. Don't take help from the textbook or parents. Is it clear?
Ma'am.
For the exam also, your exam will start at 6 o'clock. Yes, join by
Yes.
6 o'clock. 6 to 6:30 you have your MCQ. So do your MCQ by 6:30, finish MCQ. Then I will send the question paper in WhatsApp. You have to look at the question, not today for exam. I will send the question paper. You have to look at the question, write the answer on a paper. Okay, finish it, take the photo, scan it and send it to us. Email, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We will give you email. All that directions I will give you at that time. When you're writing the exam, please join when I am there or whenever the teacher is there, so that we will be able to read the question for you and clarify your doubts also. Okay? Please make sure
Ma'am.
your network is proper. And please be careful when writing the exam. Do not open the textbook or workbook, or do not take help from parents. Okay, if
Okay,
you
ma'am.
don't know the answer, it is okay. Write whatever you know, but do not take help from the textbook or parents.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
okay if your answer goes wrong. Nobody is going to scold you. Yes, we just want to know how much you have understood. That is why we are taking this exam. It is not to scold you or make fun of you or anything. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So be good. Study well, write and study the answers. Okay? Right? Niharika, I am telling you something important here and you are playing over there. Okay, so is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye. All the best. We will see for a literature class, but GS, this is
ma'am.
the last class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye.